After the success of the Realme 3, besides the fact that it failed in its crash test like any other Realme device, hopes are also pretty high with the Realme 3 Pro. And this time the Realme 3 Pro has Corning's Gorilla Glass 5 production. So will that at last make a difference? We'll soon find out. The plastic back with the S-shaped nitro blue color looks attractive enough, is slightly on the heavier side at 172 grams, even though 8 grams lighter than a Redmi Y3, and also does feel strong in my usual trial bend. Next up in the sound test, let's test out the audio quality of the bottom firing external speakers. The sound output from the external speakers are pretty loud and clear for receiving calls and consuming media, but the sound can get a bit distorted at full volume. In the drop test, let's drop the Realme 3 Pro on hard concrete with an ordinary tempered glass and the company provided plastic case. The fifth drop from pocket height with the camera facing down. Surprisingly, the glass has survived 6 drops until now without any damage. Now for the 7th drop, this time from 6 feet head height. Now the 13th drop with the display facing down. The provided case has done an amazing job in protecting the Realme 3 Pro. This is the first time that the glass has not suffered a single crack or damage, and the body also seems to be tough as nails. Starting with the scratch test, let's find out the quality of this glass protection you're paying for by rubbing it with common items like keys and coins, and then with a heavy duty box cutter. Low quality glasses found on some Oppo and Vivo devices and every Realme device tested on the channel are not able to survive the blade abuse and end up with ugly scuff marks. Though higher quality Corning glasses are always able to survive the blade with ease. So will the glass protection on the Realme 3 Pro be able to survive the blade? Nothing has changed as far as poor quality of glass provided on Realme devices, since the Realme 3 Pro has also developed ugly scratch marks by the blade and as usual badly fails the scratch test. Now moving on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. Will the Realme 3 Pro be able to handle accidental pressure and my bend force? Like every other Realme device, the Realme 3 Pro also fails the scratch test and passes my bend test. Even though there was a large degree of bend, the plastic body is tough as nails and is one of the strongest this year.